I am bench testing and programming a MoTeC kit for a Yamaha YXZ1000R. It has a plug-and-play M1 ECU, a C125 color dash, and a CAN keypad. We're using the keypad to control some of the ECU functions, and then we also have a couple of push buttons here next to the screen that control both the page. We can toggle through the available pages, and then the bottom one toggles through the changeable line items on each screen. And there's a lot more room for more data depending on what you want to display on each screen. The CAN keypad controls our launch. So as you can see, our launch arm is set to 0 currently. Launch mode is set to 0, and it just shows the base value of 6,000 RPM. We press the launch once, the arm is set to 1 or on, and launch mode is 1. The RPM is still 6,000, as that is our RPM setting in launch mode 1. As we scroll up to launch mode 2, 3, 4, you can see the different RPM settings for each launch mode. Up to launch mode 9 is 8,000 RPM, and then it reverts back to 0, which is launch control off. This is for the anti-lag system. Arm is 0 or off, and of course it just shows the base value for mode of 1. Press it once, ALS is armed in mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, and then back to off. The last screen is our boost pressure. Sets our target boost. Right now you can see our aim is 4.2 psi. We'll scroll up, and you can see it's just changing the boost system targeting. You can go down, and the values that it shows per button press is all configurable in the M1 ECU, so you can change these levels to be whatever you want it to be. We also have a button to dim the screen, and it then will brighten it up in 5 increments back to full bright. The screen also has an internal G meter that you can see, and then we're also testing some of our other sensors that we're shipping with the kit. As you can see here, shift lever. We have a load cell here. I give it a little squeeze, and that's all working. So we're just checking all the functionality before this kit gets sent to the customer, where they can just install it and off they go to tune. Everything is set up and ready for the vehicle.